Hello, on this video I'm going to show you how to add now payments to a Shopify store. I decided to make this video because I couldn't find any other video with this information and it was very hard for me to find out. So first of all, I already created a key. So all you have to do is press the red button and add a key. And right here where it says outcome wallet, here you're going to put the wallet where you are going to receive the payments. Where you're gonna accept it. You can have different currencies, but for this example, we're gonna use Shiba Inu. So I already had my Shiba Inu receiving address, and it's gonna be right here in the store settings. I assume that you already created an account, and you just have to use the store settings to create the API documentation and add a new key. Very important. Then you're gonna click on account settings. On account settings, you're gonna just type the name of your company. If you have any name, just type any name. And right here, this is gonna be created by itself. It's already there where it says Shopify below. All you have to do is just to put for some reason I put the shop name as my email address, but then you just put the shop name there and this is already created. This is what you have to do right here just for now payments. Then you're gonna have to go to your Shopify store. I assume that you already have one. You create one. This video is for people who already have the now payment account and the Shopify store account. So right here we're going to remove this from here. We're going to settings, and from settings you going to uh, I'm sorry, you have to go to apps, right? And then you're gonna scroll all the way down and manage a private app. So we're gonna create a private app, and then you're gonna create a private app. Just waiting. So after you create a private app, you're just gonna just type the name. You can just put any name that you would like to have and an email address. You can just put any email address. It doesn't have to be anything related with the app. So private app name and address. It does not have to be any specific address. And right here, you're gonna click here where it says show active admin API permission. You gotta just click in there, and then you're gonna scroll all the way down until you find orders. On orders, you're gonna click and you have to select read and write. And you just go all the way down and click on allow this app to access your storefront data using the API. And that's it. You don't select anything and don't forget to save. Very important to click save and then just create an app. Then you're gonna have to wait. Just apologize, my computer is kind of slow. Okay, so right here you're gonna have to wait a little bit. Okay, now it says API credential safe, right? And this is gonna generate this by itself. You don't have to like type anything here. So what you're gonna have to do from here, the only thing that you're gonna have to do is to copy the example URL. The IP key and the password is already on your um, now payments app. So we're gonna copy the example URL and we're going back to now payments. Now payments, you just go to account settings and then you're gonna paste that sample URL, right? Let me make sure that I just copied the correct one. Okay, it looks like is that one. Okay, so that now that you copy it here, you're gonna we're gonna copy this additional script. Now we're gonna copy this additional script, copy it, and then we're just going back to Shopify. Once on Shopify, we're going to settings. On settings, now we're going to check out. On checkout, we're gonna scroll all the way down until you find these additional scripts, and you're gonna just paste it here. So remember, we were on now payments, copy the additional script, and on checkout we're gonna copy it, paste it on order status. Then after you do that, then we're going back to settings. Now this time we're going to payments. On payments, you're gonna scroll all the way down, and then what it says manual payments, manual payment methods. We're gonna create a custom payment method. Here you're gonna have to type. Give me a second. Here you're gonna have to type edit. You're gonna have to type paid in crypto with now payments. Remember, it has to be exactly as it appears here. And then here is like additional details and payment instructions. Number one, number two. This one I didn't write anything because then you can just customize it any way that you want. So now that we have all this set up, we're going back to the store and we're gonna have to type here where it says connect to Shopify. I'm gonna click connect and it says success. A little tip is that it happens to me is that if for some reason you have an error, what it works for me is just go back to apps and manage private apps, and then you're gonna have to like delete the test app. You're gonna have to delete it, and then you just do it all over again. That works for me. It gives me a lot of headaches because I was getting an error. So now that you have it here, it means that everything that you did it was set up successfully. Then we go into your my Shopify store. Right here on my Shopify store, you assume that you already choose a product, right? The price is 1960, and you're gonna get to this page where you're gonna choose which payment method you're gonna use. Right here, you have credit cards, you have PayPal. You can also add Coinbase. I'm gonna make another video showing you how to do this. And for this example, we're gonna choose Pay Now, Pay in Crypto without payments, and then just go to Pay Now. And we're just gonna wait. It says here, thank you. So right here, it has your all your contact information. Right here is like where the box is going. Number one was previously. Number two is here. Displays to customers after they place the order with this payment method. So you can just write whatever you want here, customize it. And then right here, you got it. Pay with now payments. Then you're just gonna click here and it's gonna take you to now payments. As you can see, it's gonna tell me how much what's the total of the product and how much you're gonna pay on Shiba Shiba Inu. And then just proceed to payment, and then you're just gonna have to put your information. The customer is gonna put the information, but this is pretty much set. I hope you guys like the video. I couldn't find any single video on YouTube with this information, so I hope that is valuable for you. And I create a website where I'm accepting Shiba Inu. I'm gonna be burning Shiba Inu every month. So if you have any question, let me know. I noticed that a lot of people that are trying to do this, like they couldn't do it. They've been having a lot of errors. So please subscribe. Uh, just hit that thumbs up. And if you have any question, you have any error, let me know, and I will do whatever I can to help you. And I just would like other people to be able to have access to now payments, and now payments also accept other cryptocurrencies as payment, but my main focus right now is on Shiba Inu. Thank you for watching and have a good night.